Hello, mind pretties. I thought I would do a very different kind of video where we're kind of checking in with each other. So drop your comments, let me know how you're doing, and I'll share with you how I'm doing. If you've been following me at all, if you're a friend of mine, you know that I've gone through some very deep personal tragedies in my personal life recently. And when you combine that with everything going on in the world at large, with the various pandemics and our governing body that doesn't care about its own citizenry even just a little bit, the world at large, the climate change and all the domino effect of catastrophes, that's just beginning to create the recession that's turning into a depression where we don't even understand the depths of the financial fallout and the homelessness that's going to be created. And my goodness, my town of Kenosha, that was the focus of the world for a couple of weeks or so with the looting and the violence, and this town that I love so much. I mean, you combine all of that and mixed in with my mom passed away, my second parent. I'm out of parents now. It's like, and there's people that check in on me personally one-on-one and don't stop. I love that. That is, we got to stick together and check in with each other and support each other and love each other, because we're going through a lot, some of us more than others at different points in our lives, and you just never know. So drop your comment and tell me how you're doing. I'd love to hear about it. You can get me privately if you want. You can get me publicly here, a combination of both. And as for me, with all that's going on, my personal tragedies and the world at large, what's going on in my town of Kenosha, all those things, I'm surprisingly emotionally doing pretty good. Now, don't get me wrong, I've certainly had my moments, and it kind of comes in waves, and most of my crying and my sadness has actually just been over missing my mom. I mean, she was my mom, and she was a great mom, and she's my second parent to go, which means she's with my dad now, and I miss my dad so much, and he passed away just a few years ago. And man, it's really tough stuff, but I'm surprisingly emotionally doing okay. I'm keeping very busy with ride sharing, and very busy with my own creative projects that I love so much, and my online health and fitness business. And I've created so many videos showing you guys how to make healthy medicinal food and different meals, different recipes, which I love putting out there for free for everybody to enjoy and get some benefit from, and exercise tips, health tips, and financial tips, and doing what I can to help people live a natural, healthy, chemical-free life and make better money and become freer, happier human beings in a world that is going through an extremely dark time right now. And whether you see this video now or around the time that it's being made, or you see it 10 years from now, I think it's a relevant kind of video to make, or piece of content to make, where we're just sort of checking in with each other. Because, one person might be doing really great right now, but tomorrow that person may not be doing great right now. And there's somebody who's not doing great right now who's going to be doing great tomorrow. And so we're at different phases at different points in our lives and different times, and we just all really need to be there for each other. And the premise of this video really is something that is timeless and should be treated as something that is timeless and applies to any point in time, anywhere, where we just check in with each other and offer support and be there. So that's what I'm doing for you on a one-to-many model, as well as a one-to-one model with friends and so forth. So it's a mix of one-to-one and one-to-many. So I'm looking forward to reading your comments, and for those of you that want to private message me, that's, looking forward to that too. So this is the first. I've made about 3,000 videos-ish, and this video represents a first of its kind, where I'm doing sort of a one-to-many check-in with each other and sharing with you how I'm doing, because this is the darkest year of my life by far and away, with everything that's happened in such a short period of time. So I just wanted to share with you guys that, and also let you know that I'm here for you as well. You can check in with me, we can check in with each other, and then going forward, it will always be relevant to do that, okay? I love all of you. Please look out for one another. Don't just look out for yourselves. Look out for yourselves and your family, but also look out for your neighbors, people in your circle. Go out and meet new people and expand your connection and your understanding of the world, okay? Bye for now. And feel free to share this. And on my YouTube, feel free to subscribe, like, and drop your comments, checking in with each other. That's important. That's the most important thing, I think. Talk to you later. Mwah.